Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at how to update your Nvidia drivers. Now if you didn't know, updating your drivers is really important, mainly because you may be missing out on performance or be opening yourself up to security vulnerabilities if you don't actually have them updated. Now every single update can include bug fixes, performance updates. Having these updated is basically crucial to making sure your PC runs right. So we're going to get into it now. So to start with, you just want to open up Device Manager. So click the Windows button and just type in device. This will bring up something like this, and if you go to the fourth one down, you will see it display adapters. If you double click on it, it opens it up, and as you can see, this is my graphics card here, the RTX 3060. So what we can do is we can right click on this, and there is actually an option to update drivers. So we can go ahead and click on this. And if we've already downloaded a new update for our driver and we've got it ready in our computer files, what we can do is we can do browse my computer for drivers. But the majority of us won't know which update we actually need. So we're just going to click the top one and let Windows look for us. So I just clicked on it. As you see, the best drivers are already installed for my device, so I do not actually need one. But if you are in need of one, it will say something different and it will give you the option to update. I'm now going to show you the second option to do it, which I recommend if you want to keep on top of your drivers and make sure you know when there's going to be another one ready. And the way to do that is with Nvidia GeForce Experience. Now I've just opened it now, and as you can see, the first thing you see is all your games. But we don't want our games, we want drivers. So in the top left corner, we can see home and drivers. We just want to select drivers. This will show something like this. And as you can see, mine says you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver already installed. However, you may be in need of one. So what you can do is there'll be a button here if you do have an update available. So you can just go ahead and click on that and download it and update to the newest drivers. And what's also cool about the GeForce Experience is it will keep you up to date. It'll be sure to remind you whenever there's a new driver out. So if a new one just releases, you'll get a notification on your PC and you can go ahead and download it on the same day it releases. So you never miss an update and you also have the best performance possible. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please comment down below and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.